Now we are discussing about basic fragmentation rules. In that, first one is even electron rule. Even electron rule nothing but when odd electron ions are also known as radical ions. When radical ions are undergo fragmentation, it leads to odd electron or even electron ions. That means when these odd electron ions undergo fragmentation leads to odd electron or even electron ions. Whereas in even electron nothing but it is cations. When even electrons undergo fragmentation leads to formation of only even electrons only, but not radical ions are formed. That is because and this is because of here the total energy of product mixture is very high, and it will also even electron will not undergo degrade into hard electrons. Means the even electrons will not degrade into hard electron species. The even electrons undergo fragmentation only leads to even electron ions but not radical ions. This is because of the total energy of product. This product mixture is very high and these are less stable. That's why only this one, this one, and this one will be exist when we are undergo fragmentation of uh, only we have to remember only when this is the odd electron species will give rise to what we are odd electron and even electron even electrons, whereas even electron species will undergo into only even electrons and odd electrons will not formed this one. Okay, you should remember when odd electrons undergo fragmentation leads to odd electrons and even electrons, but whereas even electrons undergo fragmentation leads to only odd electrons are formed. This is not formed. Why? Because the total energy of this product mixture is very high and these radicals are less stable. And the second one is ionization rule. Ionization rule nothing but basic principle involved in mass spectroscopy is ionization process. Due to ionization, what will happen? Loss of electron takes place, and the loss of electron takes from bonding or non-bonding electron. That means where is sigma and five bonds are five electrons are known as bonding electrons, and where non this n is a non-bonding electrons. Non-bonding electrons. Sigma means this is the single bond electrons are known as sigma electrons, whereas the double bond present that electrons are known as pi electrons. Where lone pairs are present, that type of electrons are known as non-bonding electrons. The energy order is sigma electrons will have high energy to require to remove an electron from sigma electrons, whereas pi and where is the n bonding non-bonding electrons will have less energy to remove electron from non-bonding electrons. This is the energy order of ionization of ionization of molecule takes place. This is the energy order. You have to remember this one. Okay. And now this third one is bond fission. And bond fission basically takes place in two ways. One is homolytic cleavage and another one is heterolytic cleavage. Generally homolytic cleavage takes place. That means there is a formation of radicals that takes place. In homolytic cleavage, what will happen? Formation of radicals that takes place. In heterolytic cleavage, formation of ions will be takes place. This homolytic fish hook arrow, this arrow is known as fish hook arrow, shows movement of electrons. This fish hook arrow shows the homolytic cleavage to show the movement of single electron during during this homolytic cleavage to form individual radicals. And this is the arrow mark. the electrons moves to B atom. So therefore here loss of electrons takes place. That's why it is a cation form. This is the anion. In electrolytic cleavage, what will happen? Ions are formed. In homolytic cleavage, radicals will be formed. And next one is nitrogen rule. Nitrogen rule is nothing but very simple. If the molecular mass is even, what is if the molecular mass is even, then the molecular ion contains zero or even number of nitrogens in its molecular formula. If the molecular ion contain, let us take an example for this. If the molecular ion is even, if the mass of the molecular ion is even, then what will happen? It contains 0 or even number of, even number means 2 4 0 0 or 2 4 6 up to so on, 0 or even number of nitrogen present in molecular formula. Let us see this example for it is the mass of the molecular mass is even, so it contains 0 or even number of nitrogens. In this example there are two nitrogens are present. In the similarly, if the molecular mass is odd, what will happen? The molecular ion contain odd number of nitrogens in its molecular formula. Let's see this example for this. Here the mass of the molecule is 79. That means it is a odd. If the molecular mass is odd, then what will happen? The molecular ion contain odd number of nitrogens in molecular formula. Here only one nitrogen is present. Odd number means 1, 3, 5 up to so on. Here only one is present. You have to remember this one. If mass is even, the number of nitrogens are 0 or even number of nitrogens are present. If the mass of the molecule is even odd, what will odd number of nitrogens are present. Okay, you remember this one.